Have you ever wondered if cracking your knuckles is actually damaging your fingers? Most people think that cracking knuckles causes arthritis, but that's not really true. So what really happens? I'll explain. If you love God and enjoy learning something new, tap like, hit subscribe, and share. Inside your joints, there's a fluid that helps everything move smoothly. When you stretch or pull your fingers, pressure changes inside the joint and tiny gas bubbles form and pop. That popping sound you hear isn't bones grinding. It's those bubbles collapsing in the fluid. That satisfying crack isn't bone damage. It's just physics happening inside your fingers.